galaxy eyeshadow. You've probably seen it, it's kind of hard to miss. Swirls of deep blues and purples, pops of pink and teal, and glitter. So much glitter, it's like the entire night sky decided to have a party right there on someone's eyelids. This trend has been taking over, slowly, then all at once. Social media feeds are just full of it, from beauty gurus to everyday makeup adventurers. Everyone seems to be trying to capture the cosmos. So what is this galaxy eyeshadow thing, really? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's an eye makeup look inspired by outer space. Think nebulas, star clusters, and distant galaxies. The goal is to recreate those breathtaking celestial scenes, using eyeshadows, liners, and of course sparkles, lots and lots of sparkles. It's not subtle, it's not meant to be. It's a statement, a very glittery, colorful statement that says, my eyes are out of this world. Literally, why are we so obsessed with it? That's a good question. Maybe it's because space is inherently cool. It's vast, mysterious, and beautiful. Or maybe we just like shiny things. And this look has shiny things in abundance. It's also incredibly artistic. It lets you play with color and texture in a way most everyday looks don't. So where did this whole galaxy eyeshadow trend begin? It wasn't like one person woke up and suddenly, bam, galaxy eyes for everyone. It was more of an evolution, a slow burn of cosmic inspiration. People have always been fascinated by space. Artists have painted the night sky for centuries. So putting it on our faces, it kind of makes sense. In a weird, wonderful makeup-y way. The primary inspiration is obviously actual galaxies, those stunning Hubble Space Telescope images. You know the ones, all swirly and colorful. Early flickers of this trend can be seen in various places. Science fiction movies and TV shows definitely played a part. Think about all those alien queens and intergalactic princesses. They often had some pretty wild makeup, full of shimmer and otherworldly colors. Then there's the influence of actual space exploration. Every time NASA releases new photos of deep space, there's a collective gasp, followed by, for some of us, how can I put that on my face? It's a natural progression. For certain people, the rise of beauty influencers on platforms like YouTube and Instagram really ignited the trend. These creative folks started experimenting. They took those space images and translated them into wearable art, or well, sometimes wearable art. They shared tutorials. They showed us their techniques. Okay, so it came from space and influencers. But why did galaxy eyeshadow get so popular so quickly? Well, first off, it's visually stunning, let's be honest. When done well, it's breathtaking. The blend of colors, the strategic placement of glitter. It's like a tiny masterpiece on your eyes. It's inherently Instagrammable, which in today's world is a big deal. People see it, they love it, they want to try it, or at least double tap it vigorously. Beyond just looking pretty, it's incredibly expressive. This isn't your everyday neutral eyeshadow look. This is a statement. It says you're bold, you're creative. You're not afraid to stand out. It allows for so much artistic freedom. You can choose your own colors, your own patterns, your own level of sparkle. No two galaxy eye looks are ever exactly the same. Each one is a unique interpretation of the cosmos, your own personal universe on your face. Another reason for its popularity is its surprising accessibility. You might think you need a ton of expensive, specialized products, but you really don't. Many people already have some blues, purples, and shimmers in their collection, and you can get creative with application. You don't always need fancy brushes. To create a convincing galaxy on your eyelids, you need the right colors. It's like painting, but with more fallout, probably. The core of any galaxy look is the deep, dark expanse of space. So you'll definitely need some dark shades. Think deep indigo blues, rich velvety purples, and of course a good matty black. These colors create the base, the canvas for your celestial masterpiece. They provide depth and mystery, like staring into the actual night sky, but less cold. Once you have your dark base, it's time for the fun part. The nebulas. This is where you can really play with color. Bright pinks, vibrant fuchsias, and electric teals are popular choices. These are the colors that will make your galaxy pop. Think of those swirling clouds of gas and dust in space photos. You want to mimic that effect. You can also incorporate some deep reds or oranges for a fiery nebula vibe. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Space is very colorful, apparently. No galaxy is complete without stars. And for stars, you need shimmer and glitter, lots of it. Silver and white are classic choices for stars. They create that bright twinkling effect. You can use shimmery eyeshadows or loose cosmetic glitter or even glitter eyeliners. Some people like iridescent glitters. Section 5, Celestial Application, how to actually get galaxies on your eyelids. All right, you've got your colors, you're feeling inspired. Now, how do you actually apply this cosmic art? First things first, prime your eyelids. This is crucial. An eyeshadow primer will make your colors more vibrant and help them stick better. A good primer creates a smooth canvas, ready for all that interstellar blending. Next, lay down your base colors. Start with the darkest shades. Pat these onto your eyelid, focusing on the outer corner and crease. Blend, blend, blend. You want soft transitions between colors. For a classic swirl, blending is your best friend. Take your brighter colors, pinks, teals, lighter purples. Gently dab these colors onto the center of your lid. Dabbing creates that cloudy diffused effect, like real nebulas. Section 6. Your universe, your rules, galaxy looks for every skin tone. One of the best things about Galaxy Eyeshadow, it can look amazing on everyone. Yes, everyone. It's all about choosing the right shades and the right intensity to complement your specific skin tone. The universe is vast and diverse. Your makeup can be too. So don't feel limited. This look is surprisingly adaptable. You just need to know a few tricks to make the cosmos work for you and your beautiful face. For those with fair or pale skin tones, you have a couple of cool options. You can lean into softer, more ethereal galaxy looks. Think pastel nebulas with lots of iridescent shimmer. Pale blues, lavenders, and baby pinks can look stunning. Alternatively, you can go for high contrast with deep, jewel-toned blues and purples. Against your fair skin, these colors will really pop. Silver glitter often looks particularly striking. Just be careful with black. Use it sparingly to avoid overwhelming your features. If you have a medium or olive skin tone, you're in luck. You can carry off a wide range of galaxy colors. Section 7. Tools of the galactic trade brushes and other space gear. To create your galaxy eyes, you'll need some trusty tools. You don't need a spaceship full of equipment, just a few key items. First, up brushes. A good blending brush is non-negotiable. It helps create soft, seamless transitions. Look for one that's fluffy but not too floppy. You'll also want a flat shader brush. Great for applying concentrated color. It helps pat eyeshadow for maximum pigment. A small, precise detail brush is handy for adding tiny stars or smudging color. It's all in the details. Beyond brushes, small makeup sponges can be helpful. They give a nice, diffused texture. Q-tips and makeup remover are your friends for cleaning up mistakes, because even in space, precision is nice. Section 8. Cosmic catastrophes, common mistakes, and how to not make them. Creating a galaxy on your eyelids is an art, and like any art, there can be mishaps. Cosmic catastrophes, if you will, but don't worry. Many common mistakes are easily avoidable or fixable. One frequent issue is muddy colors. This happens when you overblend or when you layer colors incorrectly, leading to a brownish-gray smudge instead of a vibrant nebula. To avoid this, apply colors in distinct patches and blend only the very edges where they meet gently. Another common woe is fallout. Oh, the fallout. Dark eyeshadows and glitter particles have a tendency to rain down onto your cheeks, creating a sort of accidental, messy constellation. Not the look we're going for usually. To prevent this, you can do your eye makeup first before your foundation so you can easily clean up any mess. Tapping excess shadows off your brush also helps, or using an eyeshadow shield, or just accepting that glitter is now part of your life forever. Then there are the stars. Sometimes, instead of looking like distant twinkling suns, they can end up looking like polka dots or tiny sad blobs. This often happens if the paint is too thick or the brush is too big. Section 9. Finishing touches, making your galaxy eyes last through a wormhole. You've done it. You've painted a masterpiece. A tiny universe resides on your eyelids. Now, how do you make sure it lasts long enough to impress your friends or at least get a good selfie? The first and most important finishing touch is setting spray. A good makeup setting spray will lock everything in place. It helps meld the layers of eyeshadow together, and it can prevent your cosmic creation from smudging or fading throughout the day or night. Next, consider the rest of your face. With such a bold eye look, you have choices. You can keep the rest of your makeup relatively subdued. A neutral lip, a touch of blush. This lets your galaxy eyes be the undisputed star of the show. Or you can go full glam. Pair your cosmic eyes with a bold lip color or dramatic contouring. There are no hard and fast rules. It's your face, your universe. You decide how intergalactic you want to feel, from head to toe. Ultimately, the most important finishing touch is confidence. Rock that galaxy eyeshadow.